Hello everyone, I'm Ranjan from digitalmarketinggeek.com. I'm a digital marketing freelancer. I have a very good review on Fiverr. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a very interesting thing about my Facebook ad. This ad I was running for one of my clients. Um, like he's from Dubai, and just he called me just a few minutes ago, and he told me, Ranjan, can you please stop this ad? And I asked why. He said, like, I'm getting so many messages, and I like in every 2 minutes, new messages are coming in his WhatsApp. So this ad was about the recruitment process, and this was part of one of my gig digital marketing agency creation, where we hire like talents at very low price, and like so that is another topic. So here you can see like what exactly has happened. Total, he has spent only 24.77 dirhams, that is Dubai currency, and per messaging conversion is only 5 cents, and total 509 conversion happened on his WhatsApp. So if I scroll down, like this ad was on 7th September, and on 7th he got 33 conversion. Then on 8th September, you see he got 179 messaging conversion. After that he got 157 messaging conversion, 114 messaging conversion, and today he got 26 conversion. And he called me and told me to stop the ad. I just paused this ad from here. You can see it. And here is the rate, like the gender, like from which age range people are mostly messaging, from 18 to 24, 25 to 34. This is the conversion rate. This one is male, this one is female, they are interested. And if you want to see how I set up the ad, so let's go inside. I'm going to click on edit button here. So this is called the campaign level. Here I did not turn on this advantage campaign budget. This budget part I set up from ad set level. This is the ad set level. So in ad set level, I set this one messaging apps. And if I scroll down, this is the Facebook page, and this is the WhatsApp number where he got the conversion. And if I scroll down, you can see the budget and schedule. The budget was only 7 dirhams, and the ad was set for 7th to 13th, 7 days, and today is only 11th. For the end date, we had to stop the ad because he could not handle anymore. He got too many conversions. And if you see the audience here, so these are the locations, and these are the age range we selected. Language we targeted French Canada or French France, and we went for advantage plus placement option here. Now let's move to the ad section. This is called ad level, and if I scroll down, so this was the ad that one of my employee designed, and this ad was in French. The main target was to attract the people who can speak French. um, so here it was single image or video, and after that this ad got total 13 placements. There was the size we used only one, that was 1080 by 1080, and this was the primary text that we have used here, and the headline was just chat with us, nothing more than that, and call to action was send WhatsApp message. We used very simple messaging, um, like very simple messaging option, and tracking, the pixel was added, the pixel was connected. So that's all. We did these very basic things, and the ad went very well. Like this pixel actually has a very good information because I'm using this pixel for a long time, and this time it went very well, very successful ad. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get updates like this, like this one, you can subscribe to this channel. You can keep follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The handle is Digital Marketing Geek. The link will be in the description. Thank you.